Hi, this is Susan. I'm at Michael's and I haven't been here in a while, and I wanted to show you the flowers and some spring items. Everything is 40 to 50% off. This wreath right here is made up of little tiny flower clusters. And it's 40% off. It's all the ashland. So you can see that it's 40% off. Now I noticed that there's a lot of little flower clusters. Let me take you over to the aisle. This comes in many colors. And there's groups that have a lot of little flowers in them if you wanted to cut them out. Now this group right here with his flocking flowers comes in a number of colors, and then that flocking flowers in a lot of the other flowers. And these small pieces, this comes in a lot of colors and can be cut up. It's in purple, it's in a pinky purple, and in a rose color. And you can certainly cut it up and put it in a pot. Here's some peach that are intermittent, and you can use the greenery as well. And then there's these little flower clusters. This one's a baby pink. And it comes in a cluster with yellow, white, and pink, and some grayish blue, not very dark blue. But this is all new to me. I haven't been in a while. It's little bells. So let's go look at the These are smaller clusters. So let's go look at the spring items. They're so cute. They have an amazing aisle here. If you have a Michael's near you, they have all the greenery. And then they have these boxes. There's a shoe that you fill up with greenery, a piano, a purse, and a little birdhouse. And then they have all the fillers. A gazebo, a little hut, little animals, swans and pigs and rabbits. And this is interesting with the grapevine. And then they have all of this reindeer moss that's in packaging. It's in all different colors. And the forest moss. Now, of course, next door is Dollar Tree, and theirs is cheaper. So if you have Dollar Tree, maybe check there first. But really adorable gnome houses. And here's what caught my eye is all of these adorable little figures of resin. Little birds, butterflies, books, bags, bunnies, wine and glasses, teacups, teapots. This right here is interesting. It's tea tins, but it's in resin. Really cute little tier tray of sweets. Let's go to the next row. Resin flowers, little pots. All of this is 50% off. Just look for the Ashland. Little poodle in a shirt. And a rabbit in a little tutu. That's adorable. Little squirrel. Little snails and turtles. Little chicks. Now these chicks are good for if you're doing an Easter basket. Put that down in your Easter basket. Little ducks and a goose. Tiny little dogs. Cats. Wild animals, fox, and an owl, and I'm not sure what the middle thing is. And then they have an array of fairies in different poses. A unicorn. That's unusual. Don't see that. Harp. Little pond for the ducks. Little butterflies. Moth. Little pots and a little crate that the pots go in, I guess. Cute little crate. Easy to make. This is all Ashland. And here they had the books. Cute. Might be a little bit bigger than 1/12, but cute. And little bags for if you have a boutique. Cute little bags. Parisian boutique bags. Little garden plot. This is really cute. If you like gardening, make a little gardening scene. And then they have the little bench seating out of wire. Adorable. Little table and chairs, scroll, metal. Really cute. Now it's smaller than 1/12. This is adorable. It's really small. It's only 3 inches, but really cute. Put on your computer. Set it next to you. Walkway. Little gnome table and chairs. These mushrooms come in handy. Little bags of mushrooms. Here's another cute table and chairs. A little bit smaller than 1/12. Very cute. Starting price is $12.99. This is adorable. Now this one, if you go and look for these, make sure you don't get anything that's been dropped, because it looks like this has been dropped. The wheel's kind of broken. But very cute. Sweets cart. Here's the front of a dress shop. Parisian dress shop. Little bicycle. Harp. Now they have all these different kinds of containers. That's interesting. For a greenhouse. It opens on this side. And I showed you these. And then they have this fenced area. A nice square. It's like 13 by 13 maybe. Little mushrooms. They do have a cloche, a small cloche. It's only about 8 feet, or 8 inches, I mean. Sorry. 8 inches tall, and then they have the taller one that's about 10 inches. Gazebos. Smaller gazebos. Little carts. Those are about 5.5 inches. These buildings are adorable. Of course, they're not 1/12, they're half scale, I guess. But really cute. Very colorful. Flower shop and a cafe. So, lots to look at and lots to choose from. So I just thought I'd share that with you. They also had little cactus, miniature cactus and flowers. Lots of things for the spring. So, Michael's